Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can install Google Classroom on your laptop or PC. So first of all, you need to get to the Chrome. Just like this, here you can see, open your Chrome browser and get to the home page. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and after doing that, here you can see we are on the home page. Now you'll have to click on this particular icon right here. After clicking on it, here you can see these are all of the Google apps. You'll have to scroll down and you can see the option of Classroom right here. You'll have to click on Classroom just like this and open the browser of Google Classroom. So from here, you can simply log into your account. So in order to install this on your laptop, here you'll have to click on this particular icon right here. So if you simply click on this icon just like this, here you can get the option of install. Click on install. So after that, here we have successfully installed Google Classroom. So if you simply cross all of this page just like this and then get to the search bar of your laptop or PC, then search for Classroom. Here you can see we get Google Classroom. So from here you can simply open the Google Classroom application just like this. And here you can see we have successfully installed Google Classroom on our laptop. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.